Welcome to Retailer Supply. Today we are making wet disinfectant wipes. What you will need for the job is the dry refill, the canister, and the disinfectant of your choosing. Please make sure to use a label on the canister. Remove the lid, put in the dry wipe. Go ahead and start the thread. Apply the disinfectant. This is 32 ounces. You probably won't need all of it. Make sure that each of the wipes is saturated. That's plenty right there, so about 28 ounces. Take your lid, place the wipe through here, pull up. Voila, wet wipes.